So for this lesson, we are going to start a new topic, which is fraction. This is chapter 7 in our syllabus. So I'll say our topic today is fraction. It's our topic. So before we proceed, who can tell us what is a fraction? Because we can't be talking about something that we don't know what is it. What's a fraction? Can tell us?
You can say that a fraction is a number whereby it's in the form of a over b, where b is not equal to 0.
Okay, somebody else? Okay, so we can say like this that we can say fraction. Okay, let me write definition. Definition of fraction. So we can say fraction is part of a whole number. Whole number written as A over P, where A and P are numbers. And P is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. Why is P not equal to 0? When we say P is not equal to 0? Why? We like any number divided by 0 will be undefined. So now we have said fraction is part of our whole number written in the form of A over B, where B is not equal to 0. So it's like this. This A is called, so what do we call this one? This one, we call it numerator. And then this one, we call it denominator. That is it. So A is the numerator and B is the denominator. Now, we have learned the definition of fraction. If you can tell what is a fraction, this is what you can say. From here, we are going to look at the types of fraction. Okay? So type of fraction. The first type is what the first one we call it, or let me first list all of them and then we call. So the first one we call it proper fraction. The second one is the improper fraction. And then the last one we call it mixed fraction. So these are the three types of fraction that we have in the syllabus. So number one, which is the proper fraction. How do we know that this fraction is proper fraction? So we are going to, we can see proper fraction, we can see like this. These are the type of a fraction. This type of fraction is where we had said fraction is in the form of A over P. So for this case, we are saying where A is smaller than P. This is P. We can write like this, where A is less than P. We can give example. Who can give us one example of proper fraction? 1 over 1 over 3. And see, this type of fraction is where we have a being less than p. Our a for this case is 1. Then our p is 3. Is 1 less than 3? So we are right, yes? We can give another example. Somebody else? 2 over? Is 5 not less than, is 2 less, not less than 5? It is. So this is less than 5. So you can see this point as our definition. Right? We can have 2 over 3 and so on. Yes? Yes. Now, let us go to the second one. We have the second one being improper. Improper fraction. So we can give a statement on this one also. We can say for this type, for this type of fraction, p is greater than a. You remember me saying fraction is written in the form of a over? So for this case, our p is greater than our a. That means we can write it like this. P is greater than a, or no, we write a, which is the numerator, will be greater than p. Yes? Or we can say p is less than a. The same thing. So now I want us to give some of the examples for this particular case. Who can give us one example of improper fraction? Yes, Collins?
5 over 2.
5 over. As per the statement here, we have said p is greater than a. Now let us look at this example given by Collins. 5 over 2. Between 5 and 2, which one is greater? And this one is our a, this one is our b. So a is greater than b. Are we right? Yes. Another example. 7 over. You can still see this one 7 is greater than 3. Are we right? Yes?
8 over 2.
8 over. Are we right? 8 is greater than 2. That means we are right. Yes? 9 over 7. The last bit of this one is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. For this one, we can simply say it is the sum. It is the sum of an whole number. It is the sum of whole number and one. Whole number. This one is what is our number? This is a number without a decimal point or a fraction. So all numbers we can have 1, 2, 3, and so on. Yes. And then for this case, I want to give one example. We can have a number like 2, which is an whole number. Yes. Plus a fraction, we can have 2 over 1 over 2. This one will give us. This one will give us 2 and 1 over 2. Right? Other examples can be 3 and 1 over 2, 4 and 1 over 2, and so on. Yes? And then from there, I want to believe everybody have understood that one. And for our next lesson, we shall come and look at conversion of fractions to. Okay, we are going to cover conversion of our next lesson. I'm giving you that one as a reading assignment. Okay? So when I'll be coming in for the next lesson, one of you will do what? Who will lead us on that? Yes? Thank you. Let's meet on our next class lesson.